Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today, we will look at Artdot's colorful butterfly pattern that I bought on Amazon in August 2023 for $11.99. The pattern. The colorful butterflies are a rainbow of colors with lots of confetti. This bigger, advanced kit is 26 inches by 13 inches or 66 centimeters by 33 centimeters with over 27,000 shiny diamonds. The full round pattern has 35 colors with the DMC colors listed on the canvas. There are 3 Aurora Borealis diamonds in this kit, 4, 9, and P. The kit I bought from Artdot for $11.99 on Amazon is currently listed for $13.99. This fun project took me 45 hours working from the end of October 2024 to the beginning of January 2025. There are 2 sets of colors that are very close to each other. I definitely needed my light pad and reading glasses to figure out which diamonds to use. In the purples, symbol B, 11, 550, and R, 21, 3834 are very close to each other. In the oranges and reds, O, 15, 741, and Q, 27, 947 are very close. Even though the pattern is printed well, these colors are very close to each other and difficult to see. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I loved the confetti and the rainbow of colorful butterflies. I did this diamond painting the way I normally do. I did the diamond painting in number order. I would recommend not doing that because it means jumping all over the pattern. I would recommend starting on one side and moving to the other. So for instance, starting with the red butterflies, then moving to the orange butterflies, then the green, the blue, and finishing the purple butterflies. It would just make more sense that way, and the confetti wouldn't be quite as overwhelming. This rainbow of colorful butterflies was fun. I hope you have fun when you do them. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe, and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.